Welcome to the United States of America, a land where adventure, history, and nature collide in ways you've never imagined. Today we're about to take you on an exhilarating ride through 10 of the most unbelievable wonders that make this country one of the most extraordinary places on the planet. From natural beauty to engineering feats, the United States is home to some of the most jaw-dropping sights in the world. So buckle up, it's time to explore these stunning landmarks like never before. Our journey begins in Arizona, at one of the most iconic natural wonders on Earth, the Grand Canyon. Standing on the edge of this immense chasm, it's hard to even comprehend its vastness. Over 5 million years in the making, the Grand Canyon stretches over 277 miles, with cliffs towering up to a mile high. It's a place where time feels frozen, where the colors shift and change with the light, and where the only sound you'll hear is the rush of the Colorado River far below. Whether you're hiking along the rim or rafting down the river, every moment here is a reminder of the power and beauty of nature. Next, we head to Wyoming, the birthplace of America's first national park, Yellowstone. This massive park spans over 2.2 million acres, and it's a treasure trove of geothermal wonders. Home to half the world's geysers, you'll find yourself in awe as the Old Faithful geyser erupts like clockwork, spewing steam and water high into the air. But it's not just about the geysers. The Grand Prismatic Spring looks like something straight out of a dream, with its vibrant colors that change from bright blue to fiery orange. Plus, with roaming bison, wolves, and grizzly bears, you never know what wildlife encounter might be waiting around the corner. From the mud pots to the majestic Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, this park is full of surprises. It's a land of adventure, where nature's power is on full display at every turn. From the wilderness of Yellowstone to the heartbeat of America, let's head to New York City, where the iconic Statue of Liberty stands tall, welcoming visitors from all over the world. A symbol of freedom, hope, and democracy, Lady Liberty is one of the most recognized statues on the planet. Standing at 305 feet, this colossal monument has been greeting travelers since 1886, and it's impossible not to feel inspired as you look up at her, with the New York harbor and the shimmering city skyline behind her. Take the ferry over to Liberty Island and climb to the top of her pedestal for some of the best views of the city. As the wind sweeps through your hair, you'll feel the power of what she represents, the promise of freedom and the pursuit of dreams. Hold on tight because we're heading to Niagara Falls, one of the most breathtaking natural wonders of the United States. Straddling the border between New York and Canada, this massive waterfall consists of 3 stunning falls, with over 6 million cubic feet of water thundering over the edge every minute. Whether you're experiencing it from the observation deck or getting up close with a Maid of the Mist boat tour, there's no mistaking the awe-inspiring power of Niagara Falls. Get soaked, get amazed, and let the roar of the falls remind you just how small we are in the grand scheme of nature. Next, we head to the Great Smoky Mountains, straddling the border of Tennessee and North Carolina. Known for its misty forests, ancient hardwood trees, and incredible biodiversity, this is America's most visited national park, and for good reason. With over 19,000 species of living organisms, from wildflowers to elusive black bears, the Smokies are an enchanting place where nature thrives. The park offers peaceful hiking trails like the Clingman's Dome and the Alum Cave Trail, where you'll be immersed in the beauty of towering trees, cool mountain streams, and if you're lucky, a glimpse of the wildlife that makes this place their home. Now, we're heading to the Golden State, California, to one of the most famous national parks in the world, Yosemite. Famous for its giant granite cliffs, Yosemite Falls, and ancient sequoia trees, this park is a haven for outdoor lovers and adventure seekers alike. With iconic landmarks like El Capitan and Half Dome, Yosemite is a mecca for rock climbers, hikers, and anyone who wants to experience the grandeur of nature. Whether you're marveling at the sheer scale of Yosemite Valley, hiking to the glacier point for a panoramic view, or taking in the beauty of the Mariposa Grove of giant sequoias, every corner of Yosemite is a photographer's dream and an adventurer's paradise. Next, let's head to South Dakota, where one of the most iconic pieces of American history is carved into the side of a mountain, Mount Rushmore. The colossal faces of George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Abraham Lincoln, and Theodore Roosevelt have towered over the Black Hills since 1941, serving as a tribute to the leaders who shaped this nation. Standing in front of this massive monument is an unforgettable experience. Mount Rushmore represents more than just rock. It's a symbol of America's journey and the ideals that this country was built upon. It's truly a wonder that reflects the heart and soul of the United States. Last but certainly not least, we venture to the wild and untamed beauty of the Everglades in Florida. Known as the River of Grass, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to unique ecosystems and a wide variety of wildlife, from the mighty American alligator to the elusive manatee. The Everglades are an explorer's dream, offering boat tours, wildlife viewing, and the chance to step into one of the most unique environments in the United States. Whether you're gliding through the waterways on an airboat, or simply watching the sunrise over the marshes, the Everglades offer a rare and unforgettable opportunity to witness the raw beauty of nature. From the towering cliffs of the Grand Canyon to the lush beauty of the Everglades, the United States is a country filled with wonders that will leave you in awe. Whether you're seeking natural beauty, historical landmarks, or thrilling adventures, these 10 wonders are just the tip of the iceberg. So get out there and explore the incredible treasures waiting for you. Thanks for joining us on this epic journey across the US. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on more exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep marveling at the world around you.